Volcanoes. Majestic, fiery, and absolutely riveting. But did you know they're not just a show exclusive to Earth? That's right, far out in the cosmos on alien planets, volcanoes are putting on their own spectacular performances. Exhibit A, Io, Jupiter's moon. It's the most volcanically active body in our solar system. Imagine geysers of sulfur spewing into space, painting the moon in shades of yellow, red, and white. Exhibit B, Triton, Neptune's largest moon. Here the volcanoes are made of ice, not magma. They spew out nitrogen gas and dark dust particles, creating an alien landscape that's as beautiful as it is eerie. For more otherworldly volcanoes, click on the video below.